element that just explains how to get the different components. So X has a formula, Y has a formula, Z has a formula. That's what makes it parametric. And that's what parametric means all the time. Okay, symmetric. There's different ways to go about it. On your handout, I've actually explained how you could look at the symmetric form as the intersection of two planes. From what we've just done, the most direct thing to do to get the symmetric form is to take each of these and solve them for t. So this would be x minus 2 over 2 would be t. And then if I took y equals 6 minus 15t, that would be y minus 6 over negative 15. And then z would equal negative 5 plus 7t. I know I'm in the way, I'll wait a second. So, if you already have parametric and you want to move to the symmetric form, then you want to do what I just did, is take your parametrics and solve them for t, and then because they're all solved for t, they can all be written equal to each other. And once again, I mean, you could, have different versions of this too. You can have the version I have, which is fairly common. You could rewrite this one like that, and then if I sort of did the same thing here. This. You might see it written like that. But again, because the point, the initial point could be different, again, your symmetrics can end up looking different. So just be aware that the answers to the parametrics and the symmetric forms of lines can look different. And so you just kind of have to have your algebra eye open. And again, it makes grading papers difficult for me because people can have different correct answers, and I have to kind of reason out. A way you can tell if you're trying to test, whether somebody else's version is the same as yours, is to see if you get the same points. So what do I mean by that? Well, let's say you have this parametric form, plug 1 in for t and just see what point you get. See if it's possible to get that same point with somebody else's equation. You're not necessarily going to get in fact, you shouldn't necessarily get the same point using t equals 1, because you use t equals 1 in yours, and theirs is different than yours. So probably a different t gives you the same point. But you have to set up a little system of equations and see if it's possible to get the same point that you came up with. Chances are, if you are able to get the same point, you both have the same